In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front lower control arm rearward bushings on this Volkswagen Tiguan. It's going to be located underneath the vehicle attached to the control arms. Let's get into it. In the back, behind this cover, just twist to the left, pop that out. You can see where this is held down. We're just going to pop this holder off. Pull the jack out. There's a utility bag right here. Open up the utility bag. And you want to find this pick. We're going to use that. And with the hook tool, we're going to take these caps off. Just reach in the middle, pull those out. Using a 17mm socket, take the lug bolts out. Before I take the last one off, I'm just going to hold the wheel on so it doesn't fall. Take that out and grab the wheel, slide it off. Use an 18mm socket, take this bolt out. It's recommended by Volkswagen that you replace these bolts when doing this job. Using a 16mm socket, take these two bolts out. Just going to use a little silicone spray just to help take this off. I'm just going to take a hammer, give it a tap. Take that off. If you need to, you can use a puller, but it should slide right off. I'll just pry the control arm down. You can use a pry bar if you need to. Just get this lined up. Just use a rubber mallet, give it a tap. Further. And we just need to push it on a little more. I'm just going to use a socket that just fits over the center there. Just tap it down. Just a little bit more. Now get the bolts, get those started. I'm just going to use a pick. You could use a screwdriver just to pull this forward so that we can get the bolt in. There we go. And you get the other two bolts in. There we go. I'm going to torque this to 51 foot-pounds, and then you want to go an additional 180 degrees. 51, 180 degrees. These two bolts we're going to torque to 36 foot-pounds and then 90 degrees. And there you go, that was a quick and easy job. After you're done, you want to take the vehicle to a local shop and have it aligned. Install the wheel. Get the lug bolt started. And put the other ones on. snug those down. Now we're going to torque the lug bolts to 89 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check. Take the caps, get those lined up, and push them on. Take the pick tool, put that back in the utility bag. We'll wrap this up. And just tie it up. Place that back inside here. I'll take the jack, get that lined up. This little tie down, just pull that through. Take the door, slide the two little tabs in the base, and then twist it closed.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.